Okay, another little tricky one on Surds for 3 marks, where you have a fraction in the denominator. Let's look at that fraction. We have just the denominator part, 1 over the root of 3 plus 1. Now, any number divided by 1 is the number. So again, you're used to perhaps changing it to equivalent fractions. That means I'm going to multiply the denominator by root 3. What I do to the bottom number, I must do to the top. So multiply top and bottom by the root of 3. So I end up with 1 over root 3 plus root 3 over the root of 3. Once the denominator is the same, it means I can add or subtract the numerators. So the denominator, of course, is just root 3, and I end up with 1 plus the root of 3 in the numerator. So now, going back to the question, I've got 2 over, and now 1 plus the root of 3 divided by the root of 3. Now, it's division in the denominator, so that means I'm going to flip it upside down. So this is equal to 2 multiplied by the root of 3 over 1 plus root 3. Now rationalize the denominator by multiplying by 1 minus the root of 3 over 1 minus the root of 3. So I end up with 2 root 3 times 1, which is just 2 root 3, and 2 root 3 times negative root 3, or minus root 3, which is going to be minus 2 times 3, because the root of 3 times the root of 3 is 3. So now in the denominator, again using FOIL, 1 times 1, that gives me 1. 1 times negative root 3 or minus root 3 is minus root 3. And then plus root 3 times 1, that gives me plus root 3. And plus root 3 times minus root 3, that just gives me minus 3. Remember, in the denominator, we're going to have a dot situation, difference of 2 squares. So that's nice. So I've got 2 root 3 in the numerator minus 6. And in the denominator, I've just got 1 minus 3 because my negative root 3 plus root 3 have gone. My root 3's have gone, so I've just got 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. If I divide through by minus 2, I'm going to end up with the root of 3, or minus root 3, because I'm divided by minus root 2, and minus 6 divided by minus 2, that gives me plus root 3. And I believe that's what they want. It says show that 2 over 1 over root 3 plus 1 can be written as 3 minus root 3. Well, that's the same. Minus root 3 plus 3 is the same as 3 minus root 3. And there you go.